Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm Architect Febvi and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So for those who don't know, I have a series going on for the NATA preparation, and if you are a NATA aspirant, please go give it a watch. I will leave here on the screen below. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing and analyzing the first attempt of NATA 2024 examination. Let us discuss about the questions that were asked in the examination. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's start with the video. To give you all a overall feedback, I got so many messages and DMs on Instagram as well. So let me read out to you. So many of you said that the examination was easy, but so many of them messaged me saying the examination was tough. On the part B side. Okay, so part A was very easy. The part A means your drawing exam was easy. Okay, and considering and talking about the part A. Okay, so now let us discuss about the drawing question sets. In the first set, they did ask you to draw an aesthetic composition using electric bulbs with red, orange, yellow colors. Shapes should overlap to each other. Second was create a composition of 4 mobile phones, 4 matchboxes and 4 nail polish bottles and show the effects of light and shadow. Third, create interesting composition with using given shapes. Second set, if you can see, the first one was to create a logo for a furniture manufacturing company using circles and triangles. Color it with any colors of your choice. Second question was create a composition using candles, a square box and 3 prisms. Apply light and shadow effect. And the third question was create a composition using 3D shapes. Okay. In the third set, they did ask you about the logo making for community fitness challenge to promote physical health and well-being. Participants can use only 2 colors. Second question was make an optical illusion using 4 cylinders to create depth and movement and apply light and shadow effect to add good visual effect. Third was create dynamic compositions with sense of movement using the green kit. As we discussed the question sets of the part A, you might have realized that there's a particular pattern of questions that have been asked. Okay, so the part 1 or the question 1 is related to the 2D compositions with the colors and the different textures. The second question that has been asked is about the 2D composition, but you have to use your lights and shadow effect to make it visually appealing. The third question is the 3D composition, but they will give you a certain shape or object and you have to create compositions using that particular shape. In this attempt, they haven't asked you about the composition wherein you have to recreate a scene. So there might be a situation in the upcoming attempts, they might ask you the questions related to the realistic composition. So make sure that you are preparing for that as well, but make sure you are preparing for the light shadow effect. You are preparing for the 3D composition using any given shape. Okay, so practice that. Now talking about the part B, as I have mentioned, this year they are asking the questions related to the architectural terminology, monuments from all over the world, building materials and construction. In the building materials, they can ask you questions related, identify the building or identify the material, okay, or the basic properties of material. In mathematics, they have asked very simple and basic questions this year. Directions and rotation, then elevation and topside view. In non-verbal analytics, you have much of weightage. You have to prepare for climatology, architectural awareness, history of architecture, etc. Now talking about the part B, they did ask you more about the history of architecture, then the climatology, building materials and building terminologies, etc. 2 to 3 maths questions were there. They did not have much of weightage. So let us discuss about the main topics from the yesterday's first attempt. Okay, so these are some of the questions that were asked in yesterday's examination. Talking about the climatology question, they did ask you 2 to 3 questions. Okay, so the questions were easy as compared to the previous year's questions. Now they did ask you some general knowledge questions like what is a room connected to another room is called, or what is the function of a banquet hall. In construction part, they did ask what is chhaja, what is loft, color of baked brick. So these are basic questions, but you have to prepare for all, and also the monuments and then the maths. Okay, so you have to prepare for all. In the coming videos we are going to be discussing all the topics. Please let me know which topics to cover first. And yes, with that we have discussed about the first attempt of NATA 2024's question paper. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. I'll be posting tomorrow as well. And in tomorrow's video we are going to be discussing about the analytical reasoning part 2, okay, wherein we are going to be discussing about water image, mirror image, etc. So please stay tuned for that. And if you like the video, you know the drill, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.